So now that our instance is ready to go, we can just click right into it. Here's the panel that basically shows like whatever instances that you have available. Obviously I only have one right now. And what we'll want to do, I usually have the website or the IP ready to go. I have it in this window right here. Obviously it's not ready, it's not set up. We still have to, you know, install like Apache and MySQL and PHP and all that. So right here we can just click connect. It basically tells you like what you have to do. So if you copy this, plug it right into your terminal, we just need to make sure, I think we're already on the desktop. This just basically changes the permissions of the actual file to let us like access it. And then like once that's done, we can just SSH right in just by doing that. Just like yes, and we're ready to go. So now we're connected to the actual server itself through terminal. And what we'll want to do, and I have all these right here. Don't worry about pausing the video. I'm going to add all these to the description. So we can just start running through. We're installing right now all the packages and just making sure that the server is up to date and has, you know, the most current or recent installations of, you know, just whatever, I guess, packages that it needs to have for a LAMP stack. Yeah, so this will probably take like another like 10 seconds, if that. The next item that we're going to be installing is PHP, MySQL, and then obviously the server. Why are you taking so long? Here we go. Okay, we're good. All right, so this should take a second as well. Cool. All right, so yeah, we can literally just run through all these, and this is going to start up the server. This is going to make sure it's on. Cool, cool, cool. Everything's running. Okay, so now if we go back to our IP, yep, Linux is running now. Apache, MySQL, PHP, everything's all ready to go. We can go here. Okay. So yeah, so now what we're going to be doing is we're changing the user to EC2 user. We're going to exit out. We're going to SSH back in. Everything's looking good. Groups. Yep, that's good. Change the ownership. Sorry, this is, I know this is like such tedious stuff, but it's what you gotta do to set up your instance. And it's pretty straightforward. I mean, I can actually add the tutorial that I used originally, because there wasn't a lot. There is an Amazon Web Services tutorial that you can just run through. But yeah, we're basically ready to go. And yeah, so in the next video, I'm just gonna basically show you guys how to get started with, you know, adding content to your, you know, page or your website, and actually getting rid of this page. So